Are you looking for important questions for max paper for your school board exam? Are you looking for a place to find such questions and its detailed explanation? Yes, this is the right place for that. Hello, I am Rajesh Bhaskar. Welcome to our channel Be More, where you can find questions and its solutions in various categories like MCQ, FIB, very short answer type, and long answer types. So, let's get started. The categories included in this video are multiple choice questions, fill in the blanks, very short answer type, and short answer types. Okay, let's start with multiple choice question type. If z is equal to 2 minus 3i, then the value of z square minus 4z plus 13 is dash. Options A minus 1, B 0, C 1, D none of the above. Answer is B. Explanation. So it is given that z is equal to 2 minus 3i. So we can write z minus 2 is equal to minus 3i. Squaring on both sides, we get z square minus 4z plus 4 is equal to minus 9. So the value of the expression z square minus 4z plus 13 is equal to 0, which is asked in the question. Next question, the value of I raised to 9 plus I raised to 19 is dash. Options A minus 1, B I, C 0, D minus I. Answer is C. Explanation. I raised to 9 plus I raised to 19 can be written as I square the all raised to 4 into I plus I square the all raised to 9 into I, which is equal to minus 1 all raised to 4 into I plus minus 1 all raised to 9 into I, which is equal to I minus I, which is equal to 0. So coming to the next section, fill in the blanks. First question, the value of 1 minus I minus minus 1 plus I6 is dash. Answer is 2 minus I7. Explanation. 1 minus I minus minus 1 plus I6 can be written as 1 minus I plus 1 minus I6, which is nothing but 2 minus I7. Next, the value of square root of minus 25 into square root of minus 9 is dash. Answer is minus 15. Explanation. Square root of minus 25 into square root of minus 9 can be written as square root of 25i into square root of 9i, which is equal to 5i into 3i, is equal to 15i square, which is equal to minus 15. Next question, the value of I cube plus I raised to 4 plus I raised to 5 plus I raised to 6 is dash. Answer is 0. Explanation. I cube plus I raised to 4 plus I raised to 5 plus I raised to 6 can be simplified as minus I plus 1 plus I minus 1. You will get value 0. Next question. If Z1 is equal to 2 plus 3i and Z2 is equal to 3 plus 2i, then the value of Z1 plus Z2 is dash. Answer is 5 plus 5i. Explanation. It is given that Z1 is equal to 2 plus 3i and Z2 is equal to 3 plus 2i. Then Z1 plus Z2 is equal to 2 plus 3i plus 3 plus 2i, which is nothing but 5 plus 5i. So coming to a very short answer type question. First question, express minus 1 plus 2i plus half minus I in the form a plus ib. After rearranging we get minus 1 plus 2i plus half minus I as minus 1 plus half plus 2 minus 1 into I, which is equal to minus half plus 1i, which is nothing but minus half plus I. This is of the form a plus ib. Next question, express minus I into 2i into minus 1 by 8 I the whole cube in the form a plus ib. So minus I into 2i into minus 1 by 8i the whole cube is equal to 2 into 1 by 8 into 8 into 8 into I raised to 5, which is equal to 1 by 256 into I square the whole square into I, which is equal to 1 by 256i, and this is the form a plus ib. Evaluate 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5i minus 4 plus 5 by 2i. So 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5i minus 4 plus 5 by 2i is equal to 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5i minus 4 minus 5 by 2i, which is equal to 1 by 5 minus 4 plus 2 by 5 minus 5 by 2 into I, which is equal to minus 19 by 5 minus 21 by 10i. Express minus 1 plus 2i plus 1 by 2 minus I in the form a plus ib. After rearranging we get minus 1 plus 2i plus 1 by 2 minus I as minus 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 2 minus 1 into I, which is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 1i is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus I, and this is the form a plus ib. So coming to short answer type questions. First question, if 4x plus I into 3x minus y is equal to 3 plus I minus x, where x and y are real numbers, then find the values of x and y. So it is given that 4x plus I into 3x minus y is equal to 3 plus I minus x, and we mark it as equation number 1. Equating real and imaginary parts of the equation number 1, we get 4x is equal to 3 and 3x minus y is equal to minus 6. Solving these two equations, we get x is equal to 3 by 4 and y is equal to 33 by 4. Next question, find the square root of 3 plus 4i. Let's say square root of 3 plus 4i is equal to x plus iy. Squaring both sides, we get x plus iy the whole square is equal to 3 plus 4y. Expanding and equating the real and imaginary parts, we get x square minus y square is equal to 3 and 2xy is equal to 4. Mark this as equation number 1. But we know x square plus y square the whole square is equal to x square minus y square the whole square plus 2xy the whole square. Substituting in the above values, we get x square plus y square the whole square is equal to 3 square plus 4 square, which is equal to 25. So therefore x square plus y square is equal to 5, and mark this as equation number 2. Now x square plus y square plus x square minus y square is equal to 8, which is nothing but 2x square is equal to 8. So x square is equal to 4, which is nothing but x is equal to plus or minus 2. Substituting the value of x square in equation number 2, we get y square is equal to 1. So therefore y is equal to plus or minus 1. Xy is positive when x is equal to 2 to 1, as well as when x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to minus 1. So the two square roots of 3 plus 4i are 2 plus I as well as minus 2 minus I. Next question. Find the value of p if the sum of the squares of the roots of the equation x square plus px minus 3 is equal to 0 is equal to 10. Explanation. Suppose alpha and beta are the roots of the given equation. So we have alpha plus beta is equal to minus p and alpha into beta is equal to minus 3. We know that alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 into alpha beta. Substituting these values, we get alpha square plus beta square is equal to p square plus 6. But it is given in the question alpha square plus beta square is equal to 10. Therefore, p square plus 6 is equal to 10. From that we will get p square is equal to 4. Therefore, the values of p is equal to plus or minus 2. So, if you really enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the like button below and leave your comments. Also, click on the bell icon and turn on the notifications. Thanks for watching.